Okay, this is the installation process for the Shopirater application. In Shopirater application, enter your username and password. Okay, after entering all the details, just click on login. Okay, after logging into the app, it goes to the application. In Shopirater application, it asks for to add new domain. To add the new domain, you have to visit to the Shopify.com partners account. Under the partners account, you have to enter your details, credential of Shopify. Click on login. After logging into Shopify application, you have to visit to the development store. You have to create your development store. Okay, create a new store. For creating the store, you have to enter your store name here. The login is same like Shopify account. Okay, enter the password. Okay, after getting all the details, just click on create store. Okay, the stores are creating right now. Okay, the stores is created. After building your store, you have to add the product under your store. Okay, click on product. Under product, you have to add the product. You have to give your all the product details like title, description, all the information regarding the product like images, cost, everything you can give the details for your product here. After entering all the details like price and images, okay, under the product type, this field is mandatory because you had to give some category for your product. If you don't display your category here, it will not display the product. So just give the product type here. If you select the mobile, so just give the category like mobile and click on save. After creating the product under your store, just click on that visit that site, and you have to just copy that URL, that path of an application. Okay, here you in catalog you can see your product, what product you add from the Shopify account. Okay, now do one thing, you have to just copy that URL from the Shopify partners account. Just copy that URL. After copying the URL, just paste that URL in our application of Shopirater. Okay, just click on add domain. After adding that URL, the application redirect to the Shopify partners account. We are installing our app in the Shopify account. Just click on install app. After clicking on install app, it redirects to our application Shopirater. Here it will display all the installation process, how we can install our product in Shopify. Okay, under Shopify account, you have to click on the online store, the store we have created. In the Shopirater, we have shown all the installation processes. Just follow the steps. Click on next. Okay, under the Shopify product store, we have to visit to the product.liquid tab. Okay, under our product store, please click on the edit HTML CSS. Okay, under that you will get the one file called product.liquid. You have to click on that product at liquid. Come back to the Shopirater application, click on next for the next installation process. Just copy this code. This is a review widget on product pages, that is a code. We had to just copy and paste it in the Shopify application. Just copy this code and under product.liquid, just paste your code. After giving this code, just click on save. Then just come to Shopirater application, click on next. Okay, after pasting the product or liquid, after clicking on save, we have finished the installation process. Further, we can check the installation process that our product is added properly or not. Under catalog, we can check our product is displayed here or not. We have just selected the mobile phone as our product. Under that, we can see that there is a verify review by Shopirater. We can see that this properly installation is done. Okay, after